What's up, everybody? It's Legal Tender coming at you with another little video. All right, so I'm gonna just jump out there with this one right here because these are some notes that I found on a trip that I just came back from, and I would like to share them with you. So here we go. All right, so on jump star note, got a star note right there, a replacement note. I got a couple of those. And I got another star note. Yeah, this is pretty much like a random video, random find video. That's what we got. All right. Got my 007 notes. I love 007. This is probably the most exotic I would get in regards to looking for serial numbers. I don't do ladders. I would love to have a true binary, ones and zeros. I definitely keep those. But trinaries, ladders, mixed ladders, both birthday notes, tombstones. No, I don't do that. But if I see a 007 note, I'm gonna keep it. So we got one. And we got another. We got two 007 notes. Definitely keeping. Those are keepers because I love James Bond. This right here is a reverse 007 note. I don't know how I feel about that really. So if I'm thinking about it and not such a high esteem, I'll probably put this back. It's going back in a while. All right, this right here is it's a bookend note. Nothing too fancy about this right here, only that a bookend, that is a thing. Bookend notes, they have to have at least two of the same numerals, digits, numbers that start and end that serial number combination. Now, if you had like three numbers, that'd be a little bit cooler. That'd be real cool, honestly, because if this was like 264 and then 264 and then 9 and 6, so you could flip it over. I guess that'd be a flipper, whatever they call it, but I don't know. But yeah, I got a video where I spoke about bookend notes, and like I said, at least two of the numbers, well, the first two numbers have to be the same as the last two numbers, at least two, because you could just find a serial number that just happens to be 1 and 1 or 3 and 3. They ain't really that cool. It doesn't add too much value to it, but you know, if it start with 2-6 and end with 2-6, I guess it's something. It's pretty cool. So I'm keeping this one. All right, and the last note that I got is, I like this right here. Another bookend, 8484, but also I like it because every other numeral is an 8. So we got 8, a number, 8, a number, 8, a number, 8, number. So every alternating number is the same. This won't do anything for value going up or going down, but I just like this 8888. So I'm keeping it. Alrighty. Yeah, so like I said, just came back from a little trip and found this and change. So yeah, these are my notes that I'm gonna put in my collection. If I see anything cooler, I'm definitely gonna keep, and I will let you know. But yeah, that's all we got for this one. Just a little short, random find video. And I'm getting ready to put them in these sleeves. So that's all we got for this one. Until next time, keep it legal, keep it tender. Talk to you soon.